Welcome to the SoundWaves AI training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to generate AI voice cloning in SoundWaves AI. Go to the left menu and click on AI voice cloning. Here you can clone your voice. Give your voice a title. Upload a voice sample file from your local in which you want to clone your voice.
I'm going to have as many as Haley.
Select the gender of the voice. You can also add a description of your voice if you want. Click on Create Voice and your sample file will be uploaded to our server. Now add the title. Language. Now add the text you want to make voice. Just click on Synthesize and your cloned voice will be ready. You can play the voice.
SoundWaves AI, first to market, Microsoft Azure, Amazon Polly, and Google Text-to-Speech Killer technology, clones any voice into ultra-real.
You can also download it. Thanks for watching the video.